Hi. Welcome to this overview of BIMcontact. In this video, I'll give a short presentation of all the basic features in the tool. The main functional areas are listed in the panel to the left. To the right is the main window. Right now, it's showing the briefing board. Let's start by looking at Select Workplace. When you log in, you'll be in the lobby. Here, you can share information, such as templates, documents and common information, with all rooms and users of the portal. Under the lobby, we have a tree structure of organizational units containing rooms. The organizational units provide a way to organize rooms into different sections. A room is a collaborative area that enables cooperation around a specific purpose. For example, a room can be tied to a project, thus gathering the collaborative efforts surrounding that project. Users can only access rooms that they've been given permission to enter. Let's enter a room now. If you look at the top of the page, the header has changed color and displays the name of the room. Each room contains the functional areas that you find in the panel to the right. You can now access functions and features that belong only to this room. If you want to go back to the lobby, or to another room, just go to Select Workplace again, and choose a new destination. Let's open Coordination and Collaboration in the panel. Here, we'll find the briefing board. It'll give you an overview of what's going on, such as current meetings, activities and news. In the calendar, you can view and schedule meetings and other events. You can also invite people to meetings, handle meeting requests, and check coworkers' availability. Next, we have the forum, where users can create and participate in discussions. You can also subscribe to discussions, and be notified whenever a new comment is being added in that discussion. Here, you add your contacts. What contact information other users can see depends on the visibility settings of the contact. They can also be arranged in groups. And it is possible to send emails and SMS to contacts directly from the portal. Set up your own to-do list by defining tasks. The task function is available to all users. The tasks can be arranged under different categories, a due date can be set, and they can be assigned to users. Lastly, in this section, I'll talk about users. Here, you can invite new members to the portal, arrange them in groups, and assign roles. Let's go on with planning and control. We'll start with the Activity Planner. Here, you can plan, monitor and follow up activities. The Gantt overview illustrates dependencies, responsible persons, and how activities and milestones are related to each other. The Resource Planner lets you allocate resources in different projects and activities. Track allocation rate on resources, as well as for the whole, or parts, of the organization. Use the sandbox feature to see if there's enough resources to accept another project. In Portfolio Summary, you get an aggregated view of all managed projects in the portal. You also get an overview of the budgeted, and actual, time and cost, for the project portfolios. In Expenses, you can budget, and track costs, on project and activity level. Likewise in Incomes, you can budget and track incomes, on project and activity level. Open the Document Management tab in the Functional area. Let's look at the documents. They are organized in a tree structure. Navigate by clicking on the folders. The same thing applies to images, which have their own folder in the functional panel to the left. In the Recycle bin, You can manage removed objects. The library lets you classify documents, both stored in the portal's archive, as well as at external sources. The documents can be searchable by author, title, subject, keywords and more. The next subject is administration. As the name suggests, administration is only available to administrator users. In this functional area, you can manage different settings for the portal. This includes adding new rooms and organizational units. You can, for example, add currencies and assign rates to resources in financial administration. Manage resource and contact settings. Change lobby settings, and add categories and time types, and much more. The content management system, Drupal, is integrated with BIMcontact. This means that information in the portal can be published to public or internal web pages in Drupal. All objects, such as documents, etc., that are set to publish, will be accessible in the content management system. Use Open Drupal to log in as Drupal administrator and handle the portal's web pages. My functions contain the user's personal information. Here, the user can change personal settings, and manage personal documents, and calendar, and more. My briefing board gives you an overview of your meetings, activities, and portal news. In My Documents, you can view the stored documents in your personal document archive. The same applies to your images, stored in My Images. My Calendar is the place where you can see all your meetings, from all your rooms, together with your private meetings. You can of course, edit your own user information, contact information, and skills in My Settings. You can manage your subscriptions under My Subscriptions. You can subscribe to documents, images, web pages, publications and news. It means that you'll get an email with all the changes made to the object, according to your selected subscription frequency. My Time Reporting is where you register the time you've spent on projects and activities. You can overview your registered time on daily, weekly or monthly basis, and generate time reports. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.